Welcome student. I am Mr. Abhijit Bambre, working as assistant professor at Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Jawhar. Student, in last two video, we are discuss classification of dosage form. As we know, the pharmaceutical product can be marketed under many different dosage form. The most common dosage form are solid dose form, then semi-solid dose form, liquid dose form, and some gaseous or inhaler dose form. Actually, dosage form are classified into four main types, that is solid dose form. Example of solid dose form are tablets, capsule, powder, dusting powder, lozenges, pills, etc. Second, semi solid dose form. Example of semi solid dose form, that is cream. What is cream? Example antifungal cream, etc. Then paste, semi solid dose form, it contain paste. Then well known example or good example is gel. Then suppositors, they are semi solid dose form. Next, liquid dose form. Today we are going to discuss liquid dose form. What is liquid dose form? Actually, liquid dose form or oral liquid dose form are better dose form than the tablet or other solid drugs for patient that have difficulty in the chewing or swallowing. Their better liquid dose form are better than the tablet. You know, they are good choice for children. Actually, liquid dose form are good choice for the children or some old age people. Actually, liquid absorb faster than the solid in the body fluid. They are more palatable than the solid. More palatable means easy to administer. Hence, they are more effective than the solid. Means any syrup, any elixir, any liquid dose form are better than the solid. Solid dose form are tablet, capsule, etc. Right? Then oral liquid dose form are commonly divided into two form, that is monobasic and bibasic dose form. Each contain one or more active ingredient within a liquid vehicle. Here liquid vehicle means any solvent. It may be any base, it may be any aqueous solution like alcohol, glycerin, etc. or any other solution. In that, active ingredient are dissolved or dispersed. Got it? Liquid may also contain some sweetening agent, some flavoring agent, some coloring agent for their easy for their convenient use or for their attractiveness or to change the taste. Next, monobasic liquid dose form. It contain or liquid form are easily homogeneous solution of active ingredient. Homo means one. They have any active ingredient dissolved in water or non-aqueous solvent. Non-aqueous solvent means alcohol, glycerin or water or any other solvent. The most common monobasic forms are oral solution, then syrup, then elixir, some mouthwashes, drops, lotion, etc. Actually, monobasics, mono means one, and active, it contain one or more active ingredient. They are dissolved into the solvent, and solvents, where solvent use are some aqueous solvent or water use. Aqueous solvent means alcohol, glycerin, etc. Example of monobasic dosage liquid dose forms is oral solution. Oral solution are clear liquid preparation for a oral use containing one or more active ingredient dissolved in a suitable vehicle. Any active ingredient, any active drug which are dissolved in a suitable vehicle. Here, suitable vehicle, it may be water, right? It may be any aqueous solution or solvent, any aqueous solvent like alcohol, glycerin, etc. Drug plus water plus preservative. Some preservative were added in the oral solution. Next, syrup. Well-known example of syrup, that is Benadryl. We know the use of Benadryl. They are cough relief. Syrup. What is syrup? It is a concentrated aqueous solution of a sugar, usually sucrose, to which any active ingredient are added. Flavor syrup are convenient form of masking disagreeable taste. Drug plus water, some flavoring agent plus concentrated solution of sugar to get a complete syrup. Actually, syrup having concentrated solution of a sugar. Syrup do not have alcohol, but they are used for a cough relief. Syrup contain drugs plus water plus some flavoring agent plus concentrated solution of a sugar. Next, monobasic liquid dose form, that is elixir. What is elixir? Elixir are clear sweet hydroalcoholic solution intended for a oral use. Intended for a oral use, they are usually flavored to enhance their palatability, enhance their administration. They contain hydroalcoholic solution of drug plus some sweetener with syrup. They contain flavored ring agent with fruit extract. Elixir also used for cough relief action. Both syrup and elixir both are used for or used as cough reliever. Difference between syrup and elixir: elixir contain alcohol, where syrup do not having alcoholic content. Actually, elixir are less sweet than the syrup, less viscous due to containing lower proportion of the sugar. They having low proportion of the sugar. Elixir having low proportion of the sugar. They are less effective than the elixir. Got it? Syrup and elixir both are cough reliever. Syrup do not contain alcohol, whereas elixir contain alcohol. Syrup are more sweet, more viscous, more effective. Whereas elixir is less sweet, less viscous. Elixir are less sweet, less viscous, and less effective than the syrup. Next, mouthwashes. Mouthwash is an example of monobasic liquid dose form. They are used for the treatment of thorax infection or some mouth infection where there are so many mouthwashes. Next, drop. They are supplied in vial along with a dropper for a accurate dosing. Vial along with a dropper means small bottle with a dropper are called as vial for a accurate dosing. For a accurate dosing means accurate 1 or 2 drops for a accuracy. There are two type drops are for a oral application or for a external application. Oral drops are liquid preparation for a oral use that are intended to be administered in a small volume. Intended to be used or administered. Intended to be means for a some purpose. Example of drops are polio drops and air drop, eye drops, etc. Actually, drop are supplied in a vial along with a dropper means bottle along with a dropper. Next, lotion. It is monobasic liquid preparation for a external application without a friction. Lotions are monophagic liquid dose form. They are used for a external use. They are either dab on the skin or apply on the suitable dressing and cover with a waterproof dressing to reduce evaporation. Some example of lotion are Vaseline lotion, some baby lotions which are used to reduce evaporation. They are used for the external or they are used for a use on the skin or they are dab on the skin without a friction. Next, suspension. Student, in monophagic, example of monophagic liquid forms are oral solution, syrup, elixir, mouthwashes, drops and lotion. Next, biphagic liquid form. It contains two phases. Example, suspension and emulsions. What is suspension? Biphagic liquid dose form of a active ingredient or a medicament in which finally divided solid particles are dispersed in a liquid or semi-solid vehicle. Actually, solid particles are dispersed in a liquid. The solid particle act as a disperse phase, whereas liquid vehicle act as continuous phase. In suspension, their liquid dose form or biphagic liquid dose form, they contain solid particle and liquid, where solid particle are disperse phase, act as disperse phase, where liquid particle act as vehicle. Vehicle means it act as solvent. It may be some aqueous solvent like alcohol, glycerin, etc. They taken orally by a parenteral route. Emulsion, biphagic liquid preparation containing two immiscible liquid. one of which is dispersed as a minute globule into the other. Suspension and emulsion both are biphasic liquid. They are contain two phase. In biphasic liquid, one is solid particle and another is liquid form, whereas in emulsion both are liquid but they are heterogeneous liquid. Got it? They are heterogeneous liquid. Suspension and emulsions should be shaken thoroughly before they are used. Suspension and emulsion, they are shake before the use. Next, gaseous dose form or inhalation dose form, that is fourth dose form of the drug. Inhalations are some gaseous vapor solution or suspension intended to be inhaled via the nasal or oral or respiratory routes. A spray consists of a container with a valve assembly, like they are valve assembly that when activated they emit a fine dispersion of a liquid or solid or gaseous material. Actually, they are used for a mostly they are used for a asthma patient or related respiratory disorder. Inhalation generally they are used for a asthma patient. Got it? So student, today we discuss what is liquid dose form and what is gaseous dose form. In liquid dose form or oral liquid dose form, they contain two type. One is monobasic dose form and another is dibasic or bibasic dose form. Monobasic dose form contain oral solution, syrup, elixir, mouthwashes, drops and lotion, whereas bibasic contain suspension and emulsions. Right? Then inhalation dose form. Inhalation, actually they are inhaled through a nose or mouth. They can be delivered via spray or aerosol. They are used for a treat some allergies and for a asthma patient. Got it? It's all about a liquid dose form and gaseous dose form or inhalation dose form.